Why this is video series 23. Let us understand what is meant by current assets and what are the items which qualify for classification under current assets. Current asset means an asset which can be easily convertible into cash in one operating cycle not exceeding 12 months. We have already learned what is meant by operating cycle, which is also called as working capital cycle or as cash to cash cycle. The items which come under current assets are 1. Cash and cash equivalent. Number 2. Inventories. Number 3. Trade receivables. Number 4. Short-term loans and advances. Number 5. Current investment. Let us understand each of these items separately. The first one is cash or cash equivalent. Any business enterprise will have some cash balances available with them or may be available with the bank account. Sometimes the business enterprises keep a portion of the cash in the form of deposits with the bank. The business will also have some demand drafts or checks which are yet to be sent under collection. All these items come under classification as cash or cash equivalent. There is another meaning for cash equivalent. Cash equivalent means any investment made in a short-term security which are highly liquid. When I say highly liquid, they are easily convertible into cash. Government securities or the commercial paper or the certificate of deposits are such examples. The second item under current asset is inventories. Inventories means goods intended for sale or the raw material which are undergoing the process of conversion into goods which are for sale. So in case of a trading account, the goods which he purchases for sale, and in case of a manufacturing units, the raw materials, the semi-finished goods and finished goods get classified as inventories. The third item is trade receivables. Trade receivable means amount billed to the buyer for the goods supplied for which payment is yet to be received. The bill receivable, trade receivable or trade debt all are same. It is nothing but the business had sold the goods have moved out of the premises, but the payment for it is yet to be received. The fourth item is short-term loans and advances. Sometimes the business enterprises grants loan to its employees in the form of festival advance or to the owners of the business which are repayable within a period of 12 months. Such loans are called short-term loans. When it comes to short-term advances, sometimes the business enterprise sends a advance to its suppliers and sometimes they pay advance tax. All these come under short-term advances. The last one is current investment. We have already learned that sometimes the business enterprises makes investment in the capital market, and if the intention of the business enterprise is to trade on that within a period of 12 months, such investments are known as current investment. With this, we have discussed all the possible items which can be classified as current assets in a balance sheet of a business enterprise. In the next video, series 24, we shall go into another financial statement called profit and loss account statement. If you have understood this, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel.